Howdy, folks, and good morning. Welcome to Last Call Friday with Greenhammer Trading. I'm Josh, and I'll be walking you through our pre-market analysis to point you in the right direction for the day. This is a condensed version of what we do every day in our community Discord, so be sure to head over to greenhammertrading.com and sign up for our Discord and get a front row seat to what we do. All right, so let's go ahead and jump in. We're going to start with SPY. We had NFP come out at 7:30 Central Time, and we got a bit of a whippy reaction as usual. And if we're looking at the bottom left-hand side here, we can see that we touched the bottom of value for the day and then jumped right back up. We're still pretty sideways in terms of trend. Let me get this back here. We're still pretty sideways in terms of trend, but it is promising to see price clear at least the yesterday's volume profile top of value. So that's a good thing. We've got some work to do. We've got still the bottom of, if you look at the top right, we've got the bottom of value way up here. So there's some room to retrace or run. But yeah, we want to see at least at the open that these levels are holding and we're not just dumping again. So a few things that are promising, that we're above still the bottom of value on the monthly, but once we lose that, it could drop all the way down to 436. So be mindful of that level, which is right down here, 446, right over here, bottom left. Okay. So NFP can be a little bit wild on the open. So just, because our trend isn't lining up to the upside, we're still very cautious. We like that it's clearing the volume zones, but we're going to kind of hurry up and wait on this one. We're not going to go all in one way or another. We want to see price reveal itself. So let's check out the cues. Kind of the same story here, although a bit stronger. Amazon reported pretty good earnings. Apple did not. So kind of, stuck in the same range here. So what we're looking at is that we are starting to clear some levels. We look at our trend is starting to change on low time frames, which is like a really good thing. And we've got some point of control issues here. We've got a lot of volume that it's about to run into. So what we want to see is it clear those levels convincingly. We're looking at 376, almost 377. If we can clear that, and then if we bounce, or if we clear that, retrace and bounce, that is what we're looking for if we're going to be bullish. If we're going to be bearish, we're going to see price drop below 372. All right. So that's what we're looking at on the cues. And let's see here. So let's take a look at some of these internals. We've got the VIX getting crushed. Looks like with Apple and NFP, Amazon reporting. Now that's out of the way. Maybe we're taking some hedges off, and let's see if that bodes well for the market. As you take the hedges off, then maybe that's pretty bullish. So Dixie is also coming down. Let's see if we take a look at that. So if Dixie comes down, which it's getting killed, we can expect the market to go up. So let's hope that trend continues. And let's see. Any other economic data? Nope. So let's just move on to the easy mode scan. So we've got a few players here. So why don't we start with Tesla, which has been, having some remarkable relative strength during this little downturn the last day or so. We had a nice reversal yesterday, and what we want to see with Tesla is for it to clear its weekly bottom of value. And we've got if you look in the top middle, you can see kind of a descending wedge coming in here. So we start clearing these levels, it's got some room to run. But we're not going to look that far yet. We want to see it first clear some immediate levels here. And yeah, looking pretty good. The trend is looking really good. I want to see it clear 262. And then the next level is going to be around 264.5, and then 265, all the way back up to 269, 270, which, let's see, its ATR is around 10. So yeah, that would really fit into Tesla's normal range. And it's a Friday. Tesla likes to move on Fridays. So get those 0 DTE Tesla calls. No, I'm kidding. So Tesla's looking pretty bullish at the moment, and we'll be looking at that today. What else? We've got AMD. AMD is also looking really good. We have a couple of levels to clear, but other than that, not too bad. It's been really tricky, this one with AMD. So I might stay away from it. But the pattern looks pretty good, and I'd like to see it clear 115 all the way up to 117. Let's see, DraftKings. They reported and I guess blew out some earnings. We've already hit calendar year highs. This is another name to look out for. I know it looks sky high, but potentially could keep running. That's what a lot of these names have done. If they've blown out earnings, they just continue running this earnings season. So let's look at one more. And let's see. Let's look at, we've got Lululemon. Had a breakout reversal yesterday. See if we can get some continuation today. As if we clear 388, it is on all the way up to 400. Look, not a lot of traffic right here. So yeah, I'll be looking at Lulu as well. So we'll do one last one with Apple, just because they reported yesterday, and it would be interesting to take a look. So not the best look for Apple right now. Not looking like it's very strong, although we did get a little bit of support here at 185. If you look at the bottom left, but that is almost 2 standard deviations down. We should be seeing some support around 185, 183. Let's see. Yep, 185 looks like support. So if we lose that, it could keep going. That would be bad for the market. So we definitely want to see some support around this zone. So, okay, so that will just about do it. If you like this, comment on Twitter or any of our social channels. Be sure to check us out at greenhammertrading.com and sign up for our community. We'll take your trading to the next level with our Valkyrie Day Trading Simplified course. It is really great and really breaks it down for you, all the nuts and bolts, A to Z. Best of luck today, and may the market odds be with you.